Crypto Daybook Americas. Powell will set the tone while markets eye Asia battles trade. Your day ahead look for May 7, 2025. You are viewing Crypto Daybook Americas, your new morning briefing on what happened in the crypto markets overnight and what's expected during the coming day. Crypto Daybook Americas will arrive in your inbox at 7 a.m. Eastern Time to kickstart your morning with comprehensive insights. If you're not already subscribed, click here. You won't want to start your day without it. By Francisco Rodrigues. All times ET unless indicated otherwise. It's Federal Open Market Committee Day in the U.S., and while there's little expectation of a change in interest rates, the market's attention will be focused on Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's comments at the FOMC's press conference. The CME's FedWatch tool is pointing to a 97.6% chance of rates remaining unchanged, and Polymarket traders are weighing a 98.3% chance. So it's the outlook that will take center stage. Spanish bank Bankinter said in a note that a potential rally attempt for risk assets would for now be naive, pointing to indicators showing main U.S. ports are seeing a reduction in containers from China, while Powell is likely to strike a chilly tone on both future cuts and the inflation cycle. We are entering a phase of unclear direction, probably sideways but with a weakening bias that may last for several weeks, Bankinter analysts wrote. Adding to the cautionary tone is the military flare-up between India and Pakistan. India's Operation Sindoor kicked off during Asian hours with strikes in parts of Pakistan, which has vowed to retaliate. Still, spot gold retreated more than 1.7% as traders took an optimistic stance on a U.S.-China trade deal, and cryptocurrency prices are rising after New Hampshire became the first state to allow the investment of public funds into crypto. Bitcoin, BTC, has added 3% in the past 24 hours, and the broader crypto market, as measured via the CoinDesk 20, CD20 index, rose 2.57%. That's in contrast with equity markets, which fell Tuesday. It's still too early to say whether markets will focus more on the need for safe havens as international belligerence ramps up, or on the desire to lock in a bit more volatility as trade tensions ease. One possible signal: the largest Bitcoin ETF, BlackRock's IBIT, has attracted greater net inflows than the largest gold ETF, SPDR Gold Trust, GLD, since the start of the year. Ethereum's Spectra upgrade went live, the network's biggest upgrade since 2022. The upgrade includes 11 major improvement proposals, EIPs, but whether it can reverse ETH's decline against BTC remains to be seen. Year-to-date, Ether has lost around 47% of its value to the leading cryptocurrency, with the ETH/BTC ratio now sitting at 0.019. Stay alert. CoinDesk's consensus is taking place in Toronto on May 14th to 16th. Use code DAYBOK and save 15% on passes. By Shaurya Malva. Always be mogging https://tco/9wk7 Ruyavi. Spot BTC ETFs. Spot ETH ETFs. Source: Farside Investors. Francisco is a reporter for CoinDesk with a passion for cryptocurrencies and personal finance. Before joining CoinDesk, he worked at major financial and crypto publications. He owns Bitcoin, Ether, Solana, and PXG above CoinDesk's $1,000 disclosure threshold. Shaurya is the co-leader of the CoinDesk tokens and data team in Asia with a focus on crypto derivatives, DeFi, market microstructure, and protocol analysis. Shaurya holds over $1,000 in BTC, ETH, SOL, AVAX, Sushi, CRV, NEAR, YFI, YFII, SHIB, Doge, USDT, USDC, BNB, Mana, MLN, Link, XMR, ALGO, VET, Cake, AAVE, Comp, Rook, TRX, SNX, Rune, FTM, ZIL, KSM, ENJ, CKB, Joe, GHST, Perp, BTRFLY, OHM, Banana, Rome, Burger, Spirit, and ORCA. He provides over $1,000 to liquidity pools on Compound, Curve, SushiSwap, PancakeSwap, BurgerSwap, Orca, AnySwap, SpiritSwap, Rook Protocol, Yearn Finance, Synthetics, Harvest, Redacted Cartel, Olympus DAO, Rome, Trader Joe, and Sun. Omkar Godbole is a co-managing editor on CoinDesk's markets team based in Mumbai, holds a master's degree in finance and a chartered market technician, CMT member. Omkar previously worked at FX Street, writing research on currency markets and as fundamental analyst at currency and commodities desk at Mumbai-based brokerage houses. Omkar holds small amounts of Bitcoin, Ether, BitTorrent, Tron and DOT.